Hello everybody, and thanks for renting my car from Rent A Ride OKC. Today I'm going to show you how to get into my Chevy Malibu lockbox and also how to work the CarPlay feature inside the Chevy Malibu. So first of all, with this lockbox, I'm not going to give you the particular code, but it's locked right now and there's a weatherproof case on it. When you get here and I verify you for renting the car, I'll give you the code. You just input the code and then pull down on the trigger, and then the keys are inside. And you can unlock it and get inside and do whatever. But when you close it back up, you need to lock the car, put the keys back in there, and you're gonna have to redo the code again before you can lock it. And now it's locked and you're good to go. All right, and once you get in the car, take this lockbox and you can put it in the glove box or wherever you want to put it until the end of your trip. And now this is the CarPlay. I'm gonna show you how to work this. First of all, when you power the car on, this powers on. And then second of all, you want to go to Bluetooth. This is if you have an iPhone. If you have an Android, it's the same thing, essentially. You're going to go to Bluetooth, and then it's going to say, welcome to your CarPlay, and you're going to look for the CarPlay, and it'll be this. It's CarPlay, blah, 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 whatever numbers. And you're going to connect to it, and you got to wait till it loads. And then you're going to pair. When it pulls up, allow it to sync. Wait till it connects, and there you go. The CarPlay is showing. As you can see, the music is working. This aux cord is connected to the car for better sound quality, and you got your maps, your music, whatever you want in there. Also, it's also got a reverse cam in here. So there you go. This QR code will go live once this video is live. I'll have an actual QR code in there, so if you rented my car and you just happen to see this video before that somehow, you can scan this QR code and it'll pull up the video that you're actually watching right now. So thanks everybody.